Control to all units, be advised, we have reports of a break-in progress. Suspects may be still in the premises. Backup requested. Over. Go ahead.
Nothing. I walked around the perimeter twice, talked to some of your neighbors. I don't see anything out of the ordinary. Yeah. When did you say you moved in here again?
About a month ago.
And, what happened to Hale?
Hale? She moved out of the state. Wait, how do you know Hale?
We used to answer the same exact calls from her, over and over and over again. 10 years. Never found anything. Yeah, she may have been a little, you know what I mean? Yeah. Hey, didn't the realtor disclose any of this to you?
No. Like what?
You know, not really my place to say. This is an investigation you'll need to continue on your own.
You'll just have to conduct this investigation on your own. Alright, let's see what I can find. News stories. Brookfield Heights. Here we go. Resident flees home after weeks of reporting shadowy spirit? Authorities in Brookfield Heights are investigating a series of disturbing reports after a local woman claimed that a shadow spirit had been hunting her home for weeks. Hale first contacted police last month reporting that a dark human-shaped figure would appear briefly in her hallway and disappear. What in the world? Is this for real? I don't have time for this. I gotta go to work. I'll deal with this later.
You're listening to 102.6 The Hawk, and up next, something to keep us warm.
This has to be a prank. There's no scratches on the glass. Shadow spirits. We'll see about that.